Hi guys! Say hi, Ruth.
Hi!
I'm a joyful traveler and this is my companion.
Your sister.
My sister. And today we're going to talk about cars. Like we know anything about cars. What do you call your car?
It's a truck.
Your car's a truck?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Well, maybe it's a van.
I think it's an SUV.
No, it's more like a land yacht.
A land yacht? What about your limo?
It's a home away from home.
You're right.
Well, it is a big boat. Okay, it's my motor home.
It's your motorhome.
What about the piece of shit you have?
My chariot?
Chariot. I wouldn't call it a car or an automobile.
You wouldn't call it a car or an automobile? Oh my god. What would you call it then?
Well,
A go-kart?
a four-banger?
A dune buggy?
Your office.
My office? No, I call it my wheels.
It's a poor man's boat, and you know it.
Or my old beater.
Tin can.
My battletrap.
A wagon.
My old beater. No, my old clunker.
It's an oil burner, and you know it.
It's an old wreck.
It's an old gas can.
A tin can.
It's a jalopy.
My wagon.
Well, I don't know. It's your ride.
My old heap.
Well, it is a vehicle. It is an automobile.
What about my old hunk of tin?
It's a tank. You mean tin?
An old oil burner.
Well, it is your wheels.
Yeah. What about my crap trap?
It's an old wreck.
My rice burner.
Well, it's a gas guzzler.
A gas guzzler. Right?
You know, it's just a crap trap.
Horseless wagon. Horseless carriage. Oh my god. This is crazy.
Oh.
Shit on four wheels.
Rust bucket that's lousy. It's old bloody car. It's noisy. It's a monthly debt.
It's a rattle trap.
It's a lemon.
Pile of junk.
It's ugly.
Bucket of bulbs.
Bait magnet?
A babe magnet. The shag. You love bug.
Love bud. It's an expensive.
Dilapidated.
Yeah, it should be left on the side of the road.
You've been robbed blind?
Put a sign on it that
You
says
got a
free.
You got a dip bucket.
Rattle trap.
It left you on the side of the road.
A hunk of junk.
This is my nightmare. Your midlife crisis.
Well, yeah, it's your tin coffin.
A welfare Cadillac. Oh my god. Rickety.
You know, when it rains, it pours inside of yours. It's a
That's what you call it, a mushroom.
a shroom
A
mobile.
mushroom.
All the mushrooms growing in it.
We haven't talked about how it smells.
Stink, stink, stunk.
Stink. It stinks.
It's crap wagon.
It's a money pit.
It's run down.
It's run down. Let's see. Now, your bone rattler.
It's just waiting to turn into rust and blow away.
Your guy got a cruiser.
Still dilapidated, expensive. It's just
Antiquated.
Why don't you just put it up for sale?
Put it up for sale.
Yeah, no,
Oh
make
my
that free
God.
again.
Yeah, make it free.
Yeah, what good is a car?
I don't know.
It's just
No.
a pocket emptier.
No. I gotta borrow money. I gotta borrow money from my sister to come visit her.
You know what? The only function I see is it gives money to parts car.
Part.
Yeah, to buy parts. Yeah, part houses. Yeah.
Mechanic's dream. You know,
nightmare.
This is funny. Oh.
I got a walking stick.
You got a walking stick?
It's healthier than that piece of mold that you
There's the
drive.
bus. You can take the bus.
It's probably cheaper.
Oh my god. Wow.
I don't know.
It's a lemon.
It's noisy.
The rust bucket. You beat up. Pile of junk.
It's it's an accident waiting. And it's a junkyard dream.
It's a junk heap. A
Oh.
junkyard dream.
It's useless.
It's useless.
It's
It's useful as a tool.
It just strands you everywhere. It's
But
a battery burner.
But we need it
For what?
to get around.
Well, yeah, it's your
In
home.
America, you don't go anywhere without your car, your truck, your RV,
Oh.
your piece of shit.
Well, it's pandemic. We don't go anywhere anyway. It's just out there falling apart.
Right?
4 wheels. That's what it is. I might get some money for the tires.
Tires are bald.
Oh, wouldn't I know?
They're scratched. The car is scratched. The wheels are scratched.
It's just an old bloody car.
It's an old bloody beat up car. Dented.
You need to get rid of it.
It works.
When?
I don't know. When does it work?
It don't work.
Oh, this is funny.
So just an old beater.
An old beater.
Time.
Yep.
Oh yeah, time to get rid of it.
Time to get rid of it? No. Because then we got to start all over.
Shoe leather is more reliable.
Even that wears out.
So do we. What can
Oh
I
my
say?
god, no joke.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it will be our coffin for sure.
Well, guys, thank you very much for listening, and have a give us a thumbs up on our vehicle and on our vehicle or video.
They're both a wreck.
Oh my god, we're both wrecks. Memory,
Oh.
memory lane. In your shag shack and your love bug, a love affair with a car. Oh my gosh.
Well, it used to be an old workhorse. A horseless carriage.
Yeah. My 4-banging car. So give us a thumbs up, because we like to be liked.
It's free, by the way.
It's free. Bye.